Okay, everybody, good morning. This video is going to show you how to insert a fraction in Think Central as an answer. It's a little different, so we wanted to, as fourth grade teachers and students, to explain to you how to do this. So I'm in one of my students' accounts. I'm going to click on his Thursday assignment. I'll click it again, and I'm going to say Start. And then once this loads, you can see that question number 1 says, enter the fraction the sum represents. So I'm adding 1/3 plus 1/3. So if I look at the fraction model there, I know the answer is 2/3. So the first thing I want to do is click on the box. So one more time, I'm going to click right in the box for the answer. But there's this on-screen menu that pops up, all these blue squares. I want you to ignore this menu. So again, ignore this pop-up screen. The only thing you're going to want to use is that trash can all the way at the bottom. It looks like a trash can. That will help you get your cursor back. So do you see how, if I go back out, the cursor is not blinking anymore in the box? But when I hit the trash can, there's a blue cursor that starts blinking next to my answer in the white space up there. So now I want to ignore the blue keypad and I want to use my on-screen keyboard. So my answer, I know that 1 plus 1, I'm adding the numerators first, is 2. At first glance, students, it looks like this is a whole number that I'm typing just the answer to, but I want to turn it into a fraction, and I see that it's the thirds family, so I want to make it 2/3. So I'm going to use the slash on the keyboard. It's right between the equal sign and the semicolon, and below the star asterisk. So it's a sideways slash. It comes to the right of the equal sign. I'm going to click it. Okay. And then I will type my denominator, 3. When I'm all done and my fraction looks correct, I'm going to hit the keyboard sign again. I'm going to click the gray X at the top, and then I'm going to check my answer. Okay. So let me go back. Let's say that this comes up. I'm going to hit the trash can. Whenever I have something funky come up that I don't like, I hit that trash can. And again, I'm not going to use this blue keypad that's coming up in Think Central. The only thing I'm going to use there is the, you got it, trash can to get the cursor to blink. Then I'm going to type my numerator first, the slash, which is right next to the equal sign. And then I'm going to type 3 for my denominator and click the keyboard to come off and exit out and check my answer. And then I can go on to the next question. So remember, to type your answer, you're just going to click inside of the answer space. If you don't see the on-screen keyboard come up, hit the trash can. Then you type your numerator, the slash, and then your denominator. Okay? So hopefully this little tutorial helps you as you're trying to enter in fractions. Feel free to rewind and watch this again because it's helpful sometimes to see something a few times. All right, everyone, have a great, great day.